Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with a visit to Crestone, Colorado. I've been here before. I had a short video, I believe, of me going here in the past. I wanted to go back, and I took my wife and my son there this time. She never really understood why I went there until actually she went there and she understand. It's a quaint little cool town. This is an example. This was actually us driving actually into Crestone, Colorado on this beautiful blue sky day that we're in. The population of Crestone is 141 people, but there's so many visitors that come in and out of here. And when I say that, I'm not saying it's inundated. It's nothing like it's going to be like you're going to be impacted like it's. But there's always somebody coming here and visiting because there's lots of spiritual places. There's a Zen center, several Tibetan Buddhist centers here. There's always New Age stuff going on here. Yeah, there's a lot of things. There's the 14,000 foot peak here, the Crestone Peak and the Crestone Needle. Yeah, it's pretty cool little town for as small as it is. This is us just walking around here. So here they have the Crestone Artisan Gallery, lots of artsy stuff and New Age stuff, as I said before. I don't want to say the names because some of them might mess up and how they're actually said, but there's the Crestone Ziggurat, to Elephant Cloud Market. I actually like the Elephant Cloud Market, and I like their other little market here. I always am going to this little market here. And one thing you'll know, also the Crestone Brewing Company. This was a beautiful day, and this is more in southern Colorado area, near the Alligator Farm. You do a lot of things in this time frame. So you can go to Crestone, you can go to the Alligator Farm on your way. What am I missing? Oh, the Great Sand Dunes is not too far off from here. Yeah, there's lots of stuff. You keep going, you go into New Mexico, honestly. I really like this area. Everyone's really cool and nice. I watch people, and it's very diverse here in regards to just the different people that are here. As I said in one of my other videos, you may be in the supermarket and see a Tibetan monk come in, just for example. Yeah, and so that's really cool to see. So don't be surprised if you have an open mind and you come here. Crestone is cool. If you're one of them, some people are just really negative and don't want to try anything new or go do anything new. No one bothered me here. No one tried to get me to their belief system. But like I said last time I was here before, I went to the supermarket. They had a tea place here, and there was people talking religious and spiritual stuff and just having normal conversations, not the weird stuff you see online. Like an example was someone just talking about, yeah, I don't know what I believe in right now. I'm just trying to figure it out. And someone goes, yeah, I know what you mean, but it was just like regular conversation, not the toxic stuff people talk about online or in the comments, because there's no morality attached to comments. That's why people say horrible stuff all the time. It's just the honest truth. If they had to say it on with a mic in their face in front of millions of people, they probably wouldn't say what they said a lot of times. They'll say in comment sections and stuff. But as you can see here, yeah, just walking around, driving. We're really looking around. We did not spend the night here. We stayed here about 4 or 5 hours, I'd say. We weren't wanting to spend a night here. We were just on our way through, but I wanted to stop here. So we stayed a while. We drove around. I showed her some of the cool houses. There were so many cool houses in the areas around Crestone. We took a little hike into the Rio Grande National Forest. You can follow these trails, and these trails will take you. Crestone has like 2 beautiful lakes that you can go hike into. People usually backpack into them, hike into them, and like camp there and stuff like that. This area in the national park, there's actually a fire pit. You can actually camp here, but you cannot drive in this time of year. It was still blocked. This was, I believe, April, May, March time frame, so they had not opened the gates yet for people to drive in yet, because they still get moisture and they didn't want, how people are sometimes. They'll just tear up the roads, the mud, and make them all muddy, and you won't be able to drive through them in the summer because there'd be, holes and everything else. So they keep them locked off for a while until it starts drying out some. Anyway, we didn't take a long hike. We just wanted to just check it, go around. Oh, there's my Keen boots. We had the French Bulldog, and so we don't know really how he does on hikes, so we didn't want to overdo him. But actually, we would go on a hike later on, which I haven't put the video together, in another town, outside of another town, and he did. He was a little rock star. But this is just us walking around, checking everything out in this little hike. Therefore, so we basically planned out the rest of our day and just driving around, checking out everything. And like I said, this is in the San Luis Valley, if I didn't say that already. We've just found different places. Like, so there was a spiritual, this is just an example, one of the many, many spiritual religious centers and in the area. I'm not a religious person. I don't want anybody putting any commentary like religious stuff, whatever, Bible verses. I'll just erase your stuff. This is just, I want to check out a cool little town where people are nice. I'm not here to, to push any agenda on anybody. But if you have an open mind and you like checking out things, no matter what your background is you'll appreciate stuff like this. If not, don't come to Crestone. Crestone's a pretty easy place, pretty cool. People are nice. Good vibe here. One of the special events, if you want to come down to an event, is the annual San Luis Energy Fair, which is held in Crestone's Town Park. It's over the Labor Day weekend each year. They do different things like talk about solar panels, show things how to use them, straw bale construction. Like I said, if you go out here and you drive outside of the town, there are some awesome and eclectic houses out here. People are very friendly, wave at you and all this stuff. Yeah. This is an example right here of one of the spiritual centers that we saw just randomly. We stopped. There was people there. There was people leaving. I thought it was really awesome to see this. We went up to the ziggurat real quick. If you park at the parking lot, there's a trail runs right there, so you can hop right out on the trail once you park your car and go up to it. Yeah, they have different Open Studio Tour hosts an annual artist open studio tour. This is the first week in October, where they allow visits to many of the artist studios in the area, basically like an art walk. They do lots of little things here, everyone, if you want to come check it out. They do regularly have a Saturday market in the middle of town in their what they call a Little Pearl Park. Yeah. This is a view from the ziggurat right here. And oh, if I didn't mention, the ziggurat was fine. We did not pay for anything while we were here, by the way. Like this, unless you go to the supermarket, which I do because they have some local stuff in there too, or you go into some of the gift shops or little shops for trinkets and stuff like that. We went and grabbed a bite to eat, and I cannot remember the name of this little restaurant in downtown. But the food was great, to be honest with you. Sat outside, people watched. It was, like I said, good vibes. Yeah, there's always good vibes here. Come check it out. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope this helps someone that's interested in Crestone, Colorado. Come here, go to the sand dunes, just drive around, walk around, go up to the Rio Grande National Forest. Yeah, hang out, have fun. Anyway, this is Frugal Panda, everyone. Have a good day, and thank you for watching my video on Crestone.